Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore the essential topics in the Mahe.Chemistry syllabus, which covers physical, organic, and inorganic chemistry. In physical chemistry, you'll study atomic and molecular structures, thermodynamics, and electrochemistry. Key areas include quantum mechanics, chemical kinetics, and spectroscopy, which provide a foundational understanding of matter and energy interactions. Moving to organic chemistry, it emphasizes basic concepts like stereochemistry, organic reactions, and functional group analysis. It also dives into natural products and aromatic compounds, focusing on the reactions that form the basis of organic synthesis. Finally, inorganic chemistry covers the periodic table, transition metals, and bio-inorganic chemistry. You'll also learn analytical methods for chemical identification and reaction mechanisms. Mastering these topics will prepare you for the exam and equip you with comprehensive chemistry knowledge. Let's dive deeper into each section in upcoming videos.